Yeah, I know you got your reasons for leaving, but baby, change if you called, only to leave it. Thought of you as God, me to thinking I'm gonna hop onto this train alone, help you find your way back home. Yeah, I think I'll just head on into town and find a freight train headed westbound. Hop aboard it, sit on down, ride that train into the blue till I find my way to you. Can't you see I'm on this freight train headed west out of our St. Louis? Got a one-way ticket, bags packed, and I'm hopping state lines, and I ain't never coming back without you. Oh, without you. Yeah. When I arrive, I have myself a look around, 'cause I heard LA is a crazy town. So many people walking around, but I'll ask them all if I have to, as long as I find my way to you. Now you imagine you'll be at a bar somewhere, spot your blue eyes in your long blonde hair, and I'll stroll up to you and pull up a chair, convince you to come home with me. May not be so easy. Can't you see I'm on this freight train headed west out of our St. Louis? Got a one-way ticket, bags back, I'm hopping state lines, I ain't never coming back without you. Oh, without you. Sobbing in my mind and I have yet to move. Can't you see I just have too much to do? I got work tomorrow and my rent is due, and when I move I'm struck with fear. Let me make one thing clear. Can't you see I'm not on a freight train headed west? I'm still here in St. Louis. Ain't got no kit bags unpacked, it's all been in my mind. I'll never find my way back to you. Oh, back to you.